Let's make some French cleats to organise your messy workshop. Probably a first step for most of the garages, and to tidy it. We also painted the walls. With the help of my dad, I cut 4 8cm strips, which will then be cut into 2 45-degree strips. Please use a push stick. As my workshop is so messy I couldn't find it, so I had to use my hands instead, which isn't really safe for your fingers, or my own safety, so please use a push stick. This is why French cleats are so useful. Find anything so easily. Now I've got my 8cm strips, we can now cut them in half, then half with a 45-degree angle. This will be for the cleat. If you're cutting really long cleats, one extra pair of hands help balance it on the blade to make it safer for you, and to avoid kickback or other injuries. I'm using structural plywood because it's the cheapest plywood I can find. You could use pine or oak. I would like to use oak, but increase the price a lot more, and this is easy anyway. Now I'm going to show you a technique to secure your cleats perfectly 90 degrees. So you first use a pilot hole bit and drill it through one end of a corner. This will mark a mortar, and to get your masonry bit, drill a hole through a mortar, only on one end. Now you drill the hole, you already put a plug of the same size in the hole. Of course, if you have wooden walls, you can skip all the steps and screw the cleats in with a spirit lead. Then you want to screw one end in. The reason for one end is because this will help you go to move it and get it all nice and level. Move it until it's level. Then the pilot hole bits, mark all the holes you want into the mortar. It's easier to drill into mortar, and this is a very powerful drill. This just marks it for your plugs, wall plugs. Now take the cleat off the wall and repeat the last steps. Fill all these holes with the masonry bits and secure the cleats. Wow! All the cleats are done. I'm ready to store all my crap / tools. I'm so excited to store my tools, to make it so much easier to grab everything. I've been spending hours and hours to grab everything. As you see, it's quite strong. These do collect dust, as I can tell. All you need now is tool holders. Boom! My tool holders have appeared. This sadly isn't all of them. My table saw broke, so I couldn't make all of them. But as you can tell, I've got a selection. All nice and organised. Here was the start of my chisel holder, but it broke so I couldn't actually store the timber fit in front of it. This is going to be a nice shelf, a wedding edge shelf for my random bits and bobs. Here's my final rasp holder. This works the same principle as the chisel holder. It works really well. Just make sure they're loose, otherwise you pull the whole cleat up with you. Here's my trusty broom holder. Well used probably. This is my spray tape holder. As you can see, there's 2 dowels with a bit of oak. This holds all my spoke shaves. They can hold other equipment as well. This is my manly mallet holder. It is a bit tight, so if you lift it up you can pull up the whole cleat. This is my coping saw holder. I'm actually quite pleased how it's turned out. Well, it's a bit sapele. They're put on to cut a groove on. I cut a groove with a table saw sled. They work so well. I screw the cleats on some normal screws. It goes in your wall so nicely. The start of my drill bit collection. or most of them. For my measuring tool holder, I use a floorboard, which works really well because it's got a groove at the top for the ruler. It's perfect for this situation. It's a very important PPE holder, well used, especially the ear defenders.